Hey guys, Ona Diaz-Santin here, and today I'm going to be sharing my everyday hair routine. Never push in and down because you lose more hair. So what I love to do is I place it a shallow placement and then I flip the brush like this. You lose less hair and it's just a lot more gentler on your hair. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, my frizz is probably in the middle. Not a lot. And my frizz doesn't really happen in the halo section. It really happens at the ends. From ear to ear. Recession to recession area. So one thing I want to stress is, yes, it looks white. That's important. I'm going to flip forward. These lumps and bumps that we are so eager to smooth out, you have to leave them there. Because that creates lift on the person that has baby, soft, fine hair. And then, in the winter, this is my best friend. It's called a climazon, or an infrazon, depending which one you get, right? And I love this because it's cold out today. So I'm going to make sure that I air dry, but speed it up. So this is my way of speeding it up. And you can see that it's on high, it's super nice and cozy in here, and not one hair on my head is moving. So that's what I love about this. Now we're done, so I'm gonna flip forward, squeeze it out, tweak the cast, and clap my hands. One thing that I notice is people scrunch this way. If you scrunch horizontally, you're going to get shrinkage, guys. And if that's what you're trying to achieve, then wonderful. If you're trying to promote length, you're going to go vertical the way the hair is, right? Break the cast this way. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed my hair routine. And remember, be bold and stay blessed.